What is up, guys? Happy Halloween. And today I'm going to show you my pickup from Ollie's. And yes, we are going to be unboxing this, and it was from Ollie's Bargain Outlet. So here we go, a Halloween bonus video. Brian Pillman, that is right, here he is. He comes with Steve Austin vest and a Randy Savage shirt. This figure's so cool, I really love it. Now let's get to the unboxing. Pretty cool. This is out, the steel cage display stand is out. That just fell on the ground. The steel stands and stuff, everything else. This is a pretty cool Brian Pillman, I really like it. His vest is now out, guys. Pretty cool. And the shirt is out. Brian Pillman is out of the box now, guys. There he is. So guys, once again, hope you all enjoy this bonus Halloween video. So guys, once again, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. See ya.